If your nightcap looks like a mishap, you're missing the private pour. Sip, savor. Subscribe. Welcome to the private pour, where the craft of cocktail making meets luxury, exclusivity, and unparalleled taste. This isn't just another drink, it's an experience. Each month we deliver high-end cocktail recipes, meticulously curated ingredients, and the tools you need to create bar-quality drinks right in your own home. Just add your preferred spirits. From rare bitters and artisanal syrups to top-shelf spirits and hand-selected garnishes, every detail is designed to elevate your mixology game. Whether you're mastering the perfect old-fashioned, discovering a smoky Negroni, or indulging in a modern twist on a timeless classic, the Private Pour is your exclusive gateway to the world's finest cocktails. Refined, exclusive, effortless. It's more than a cocktail, it's a statement. Join the Private Pour today and unlock the art of cocktail perfection. Your next great pour starts here.